Abansi Negrense. The official photos of Linay Sang Negros 2024 candidates. Together with one of the Negros Occidental's main landmark is the golden statue of a woman and a carabao situated at the Capitol Park and Lagoon, which stand as a testament of the wide and beautiful heritage of our beloved province. The Linay with the most number of heart reactions will win the People's Choice Award. At guys, possible ang back-to-back victory for Linay Sang Kawayan dahil kitang-kita na she is leading the People's Choice with the highest heart reactions on her photo. And if you wanna see your candidate on top, just show your love and support for your favorite babayeng Negrosanons by dropping a heart or love reaction to her photo. The Linay Sang Negros 2024 official page. And the Linay with the most number of heart reactions will win the People's Choice Award. Votes will strictly be based on heart reactions only and will start today and until April 19, 2024, 12 p.m. At ito guys ang latest survey. Top number 5 with the most highest reactions on their photos. Now let's start with top number 5. Goes to Linay Sang Victoria, Skylar Rose Romarati. And the top number 4 goes to Linay Sang Kabangkalan, Daniel Aros. And the top number 3 goes to Linay Sang Sagay, Yorica Jane Soredo. And the top number 2 goes to Linay Sang Cadiz, Aya Jane Socahel. And the leading, the early favorite, the People's Choice, goes to Linay Sang Kawayan, Zoe Clarice Limson. And special reminders, please support your candidate without dragging others. No bashing, no bullying, respect others, show some love, love for all. Once again, the top 5 early favorites with the highest heart reactions on the official Facebook page of Linay Sang Negros 2024 on the official photos of the Linay candidates taken at Capitol Lagoon. Thanks for watching!